Alright, this is the unboxing of my bearded dragon from Dragonz. Here you go, babe, hold this.
Yeah, he's gonna say wrong thing to use a nerd. A ver si no le rompes el ojo.
Yeah, I feel kind of different. Yeah, man, the guys from FedEx were just like shaking and trying to figure out. Yeah.
Queriendo ver qué viene ahí. ¿En serio? Ah.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
¿Qué es eso? Ah, okay.
Dragonz.
Oh my God, yo me descargué.
I hope he's not dead, man.
Poor baby.
I don't even see him move or anything.
Maybe he's not in there. Is he in there?
No, he's in there.
Should be in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. He's alive and yellow.
It's a lady, isn't it?
It's a lady. Oh, look how cute.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Martín, está bien chiquito.
Wow, look at her colors, man. She is adorable.
How pretty.
Oh my goodness.
There.
First picture. Yeah.
So cute.
You still recording?
¿Cómo no se mueren así como las mandas?
Look at the colors. Beautiful little girl.
Oh my God.
Hey, Chicky, welcome home.
A ver, tócala. No, agárrala tú.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it.
Te hablan que les
He's trying
enseñes.
to. All right. Can you pull the screen out?
Can I stop recording?
No.
Déjame tocarla para enseñarme.
Go ahead. Pat her back.
No la agarres de frente.
¿No muerde?
No.
Scrappy's like, what's going on?
No muerde. Just go like
Your
this.
mom's
Look.
scared.
Oh my God, no me veas.
No
Mira, sí
muerde.
muerde.
Sí,
No.
muerden.
Yeah.
Ay,
Mira
qué
cómo cerrar los ojos.
bonito.
Close in the eyes. Suavecito, mira, cerrar los ojitos.
Your mom's
Oh
so
my God. Ay. Yo casi.
Look, get that. She likes being pet. Do you see her eyes?
Oh, she likes.
All right, girl. Let's put you inside your new home.
Oh my goodness. Te habla Shaggy. Quiere que te lo enseñe.
There you go. Welcome home. Let go. There you go.
Ok, ¿quieres verla? ¿Quieres verla? Sí, pues mírala. Mírala ahí.
All right, let me put this back.
Wow, it's so tiny. I didn't think it was gonna be this small.
I got a baby.
Wow.
All right, so it's a girl.
It's a girl.
You can still name her Rainbow.
Cheeky.
It's cheeky.
Yeah, cheeky.
Chiqui. Chiquis.
No.
Si ya tienes una chiquis, ¿para qué quieres otra?
So cute.
Adorable.
Cheeky or cheeky?
Cheeky, like cheek cheeks.
Oh, it's pretty.
All
right, bye guys.
Bye.
Cuidado.
Mira la bebé. A ver, deja que la vea. Mira.